Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up iPhone keyboard on your EMPORIA Smart 4. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin a search for an app. Enter green Apple keyboard like this. Then install this app. When the download is finished, we can open it. And from here, we'll need to enable a few settings. So just follow each of my steps. So we'll need to enable it in settings. Here, click on the green apple and then set OK. OK again. Go back. Switch input methods. Here we'll need to find English green apple keyboard. Of course, the language can be different for you, so just use your language and then green apple keyboard. Enable it like this, no thanks. And now our keyboard should change. So let's open Google Play Store and try popping up our keyboard. And it's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.